with the Eden Mandate LLC, restoring lives one home at a time, and Arm Real Estate Solutions, creating win-win solutions for all your real estate needs. We are standing in front of our latest project, 2178 Narnia Drive, here in York, Pennsylvania. We acquired this property on a sandwich lease option, and we had to come in and do a full remodel. So come on in, let's check it out. So the tenants that were in the property a couple of months ago, unfortunately, did not take very good care of it. Had four big dogs that pretty much had their reign in the house, and so we ended up having to pull all the carpet up, replace the flooring. We had all the screens that were punched out from nose snouts, seal covers eaten up and chewed up. But we did a good job, came out good. So come inside. We literally had to go through and sand and resurface the floors and put a polyurethane coat down because the dogs would scratch it up so bad. So the floors came out looking really, really good. Each room had its own kind of significant color palette. So this room was tan, the trim of the windows was brown. So we decided to go back through with, kind of our little color that we choose in all our flips, which is this gray with white trim. So the trim was brown as well, so we went back in and trimmed everything in white to make it look nice, clean, and modern. This foyer was also tan, and in and around the window trim, this big window trim up top was also brown. So again, the entire house got a nice fresh coat of paint to make it look nice and modern. Very clean. So come with me this way. And you'll see we have a nice half bath here on the left side. So let's take a peek in here. Looks really good with the tile floor accent with the gray, again with the white trim. We also painted all the doors. The guys at Mighty Remodeling helped out with that. We have our nice modern kitchen. So again, with gas range, all the appliances in here are a couple years old, still under warranty. So yeah, that's pretty nice. So again, got everything all nice and cleaned up. Got all the remnants of the previous occupants out of the house. Over here, just kind of your formal family room, living room situation. Again, went through, painted all the walls, painted all the trim, replaced all the screens in the windows. This seal cover was completely chewed up. Actually tried to take it apart so we could be saying it just fell apart. So apparently somebody before had tried to glue it back together. Very poor workmanship. We went through, cut a whole new piece, got nice and tempered in there, so looks really good. So kind of the centerpiece of this room is your fireplace. Again, it's kind of cool to flick the switch and fire comes on, keeps your family nice and cozy. Outside, going through the patio door, which is pretty cool, opens up to a pretty nice oversized deck. So come out here. Unfortunately, the dogs have their way with the yard, so we'll be planting some grass seeds. Let it take root so that it can grow up and be ready for the spring of next year. But nice oversized deck, even has some bamboo sprouts in the back. So doing pretty good. Nice friendly neighborhood. So that's that. So now let's come on around and we have another kind of a formal sitting room, family room, or even an office. This kind of space that I have in my house, I use as an office. But again, came through, painted all the walls, painted all the trim, painted all the trim around the windows. We had to take a couple of these off because again, kind of chewed and scratched up. So we got that situated. Looks pretty nice. Let's come on upstairs. Downstairs really ain't worth mentioning. It's a full unfinished basement with new mechanicals. A new hot water heater that was installed on August 21st. HVAC system's in good shape. But this is a 4-bed, 2.5 bath house. Again, everything, you can see how impressive the foyer window is. We did go through and again paint every surface as well as the door, so looks pretty good. This is bedroom number 1. This room, previous to us painting, was kind of a lavender purple with a powder blue, Carolina blue closet. So again, we just went through everything. And also the trim was brown. So we went through, painted all the trim white. I got the closet matching the rest of the interior walls. So looks pretty good. So this is bedroom number 1. Coming back out into your hallway, you have Mr. Hall closet. We did not skimp on the house at all. We even painted the closets as well. So a nice clean linen closet, fresh modern look. This is your master bedroom. Now we're on the back side of the house, so plenty of space in here for a king size bed. Also a chest of drawers or just a regular dresser you could have here in this little nook. So plenty of space to stretch out like a king and queen in your mansion. Pretty good. Then coming back in here is your master bedroom. Equipped with your master closet. So again, didn't skimp on anything. We painted the closet, got it all nice and situated on the inside. And then here in your master bathroom. So plenty of space. And you have your little privacy here with your toilet nook behind the door. So this is your master. Let's step out and check out bedrooms 3 and 4. So now coming in here to bedroom number 3. This room was tan with brown trim. So again, went through everything. This wall here actually had lipstick written on it. So the previous occupants liked to write on the walls and the doors for some reason. So we really had to go through and add a couple extra layers of paint to make sure that we got all the bleed through from the lipstick and the permanent marker that was written on the wall. But now, in the words of Serve Pro, it's like it never even happened. So replaced some of the broken electrical receptacle covers. I had to replace some of the light switches because they had handwriting notes on them and all that sort. Again, painted all the trim, replaced the screens on here as well, but nice stainless steel mesh. So not that nylon mesh that's easy to tear. And if we had this before, Fido and Rufus wouldn't have been able to punch through them. So pretty good shape now. Well, let's check out the guest bedroom. So we just finished cleaning it up and everything in here. So this is your upstairs bathroom for the 3 bedrooms to share. You can see the mop bucket from where we're cleaning up. This house is equipped with 2nd floor laundry. So our 2nd floor laundry room here. So gotta get that cleaned up and for your washer and dryer to go inside. We're about 99.9% done with the house. And then bedroom number 4. So this room had like a textured sandpaper type finish to it. We went back through with the gray. So it kind of looks like a concrete finish. Again, the brown trim in here, we went back and painted white. Painted all the window sills, things of that sort. So kind of has, again, that clean modern look. And then this one has a pretty nice size walk-in closet. You know, so for context, I'm 6'8", so I got plenty of space to walk in and do my thing or whatever the case is. So, you know, that pretty much is it. We can walk down and see the basement, but it's just the basement's unfinished. But again, this is our project here. Very proud of the way it turned out. Replaced all the carpet, and it was pretty nasty. Had a lot of stains um, from the pets, but got that all taken care of. And here's another successful flip waiting for his next owner. So, yeah, this is Anthony Moore here with the Eden Mandate LLC, restoring lives one home at a time, and Arm Real Estate Solutions, creating win-win solutions for all of your real estate needs. We buy houses, so if you know anyone who's looking to sell quickly but doesn't necessarily have the time or the patience to go through a traditional real estate agent, tell them to give me a call, 717-850-3557, and someone from my team will reach out to them and we'll see if we can help them out of their situation. All right, on to the next one. Thanks.